She moves like a map with no borders.
Tikman natin ito.
A whisper caught in
Halo-halo
the
natin.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Hi guys, good morning. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Sky Plaza. Makikita natin yung malaking ulo ng tigre. Sabi dito is nasa 1,200 na anong tawag dito? Na steps. Meron tayo dito eh. Pero yun ang pagkakaalam ko, 1,200 steps. Yeah. Kaya tatry natin kung kaya natin. Ngayon, last na practice natin sa
Still anchored by my fear, but time rolls on like open road.
tignan po natin.
And soon she won't be here.
Adults pa po. Kinakaya po nilang umakyat.
Oh, traveler,
So how much more na tayo kaya?
you carry the sun in your stride,
Let's go!
leaving behind,
Marami ng pababa.
anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads. And soon she won't be here.
Kaya pa ba? Kayanin natin to. Grabe. Kung titignan nyo yung topography. Rest muna tayo. Napakataas. First pa lang yun. Ano kakayanin natin? Yan. Busog pa kasi tayo. Pagod. Parang magiging trekking pole ko ata yung stick ng Osmo. Pahinga ate. Pahinga ako. Hindi. Diyan. Malapit na.
Moves like a map with no border. A whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin.
Inaalaw na pala nilang 4 wheels dito. Dati, hindi. Pero kapag nandito ka, dapat alalay ang preno. Pabaliktad muna tayo para makapagpahinga yung isang masa natin. Pero masakit pa rin. So nandito na tayo sa pinagpapahingaan. Dati dito yung zipline, pero hindi na ata active. Pahinga muna tayo ante. Dito na tayo sa second level. Actually may event ata sila ngayon dito.
Lalo siya palipari yan.
Event. Pero syempre aakyat pa rin tayo. Meron kasing church dito. Stop music. Meron sila dito.
I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again. She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never made. While I stay in my
Nakapagod guys! Dito na tayo sa baba.
the way she keeps pulling at my chain. Oh,
Solo flight. Solo. Kaya pa. Hi, girl. Titikman natin itong halo-halo ni ate. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Basta dito sa may tapat ng barangay hall. Hindi ko alam kung anong barangay to guys. 30 pesos. Dati yung mga ganitong size ng halo-halo is nasa 15, 20. Siyempre, nagmamahal din sila. Ba't tao lang bang nagmamahal? Oh, pati sila nagmamahal. Init kasi. Kagagaling lang natin ng Sky Plaza. Gulat pa ako dito kay tatay. Akala ko parang laruan naman nata yung bit-bit niya. Ay, kung ako tatakbo din ako. Punong-puno, di ba? Yung iba kasi na nagbebenta ay tinitipid. Sakto lang yung timeline natin, guys. Nakakyat tayo ng mga alas 8. Alas 8 ba yun? So, nagpapabili pa sila mama ng grapes. Kakapanginig. Sampit.
Oh, try